Alrighty guys, so I've got my setup here outside. We're going to do some tests on my Dremel with the CD spinner top. Now, I was not smart enough to bring the Dremel tool to tighten it down, but I've got my knife here, and that will work. I need to tighten it down a little better. That's probably good enough. Alright, let's get some slow motion shots in here. That was pretty cool. It flew off. But now I brought some BBs here that I'm going to pour on it while it's spinning. So let's get it spinning first. Alright, here we go. Alright, now for the dangerous part. I've got some rocks here. I'm going to throw them at it, see if I can't get it to break or do something interesting. This ought to be dangerous. Do not try this at home. Wow. Wow. A couple pieces hit me. It actually cut me, and I heard a piece hit the house. That was fast, and that was dangerous. Do not try that at home. Now, for the sake of science, I am trying this again. I'm using a lot of safety precautions now. I'm going to be throwing a rock at it and seeing if it can cut some cardboard. Wow. Okay guys, so I just broke that CD. Now I want to show you what happened. Here's the cardboard box behind it. There are pieces inside this cardboard box. That's incredible. Now, this is what I was standing behind. A big piece of foam. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at how far that was in there. That is incredible. That is spinning at such a speed. It didn't go through, but it went so far into that foam. There are also two chunks here that went in that I can't even find inside there. There's also another one there. Now, I also heard it hit the house again, and I'm very glad that I was standing behind this again, because that would have pretty much hit me. Actually, as I said that, look what's stuck to the house. That's pretty funny. Now last time, here's some more pieces of glass. Or plastic, I mean. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. Do not try that one at home. But I had a lot of fun. Hopefully it looked cool in slow motion. See you guys later.